Hi everyone, welcome to BR Academy. Yesterday we discussed linear equations, that is inverse trigonometric method and Gauss-Jordan method, and Cramer's rules also discussed here yesterday. Next, Gauss-Jordan method. Here, consider the system of equations a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus d1 equals 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2z plus d2 equals 0, a3x plus b3y plus c3z plus d3 equals 0. First, write down here coefficient matrix. Coefficient matrix a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2, a3 b3 c3. Next, augmented matrix write down here data equals 0 or not equal 0. So that is next. Augmented matrix A1 B1 C1 D1 A2 B2 C2 D2 A2 B2 BC A3 B3 C3 D3 here. The augmented matrix can be reduced into the form identity matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 1. Whatever you get the values here. This is x equal to alpha, y equal to beta, and z equal to gamma. Then x equal to alpha, y equal to beta, z equal to gamma are the solutions here. Next, a rank of a method. We have the four methods in this one: by normal form, by PAQ form, by echelon form. Here, third one is by echelon form. Here, echelon, first we will discuss the echelon form, and last one, the fourth one is the by definition of a rank. Here, by echelon form, the augmented matrix reduced in the form by using elementary transformation known as echelon form of a matrix. See, like this is see here upper triangular matrix here. This is the upper triangular matrix. These are below the diagonals. These are the zeros here. Below the diagonal, these are the 0 0 0 0. So it is a echelon form of a matrix here. Only row operations are used here, and reduce the matrix to upper triangular matrix, and rank of A equal to row A equal to number of non-zero rows. Rank is number of non-zero rows. Next, fourth method is the definition of a rank. First we will discuss the submatrix. Submatrix, a matrix obtained by deleting the rows or columns or both, is called the submatrix of the given matrix. A matrix obtained by deleting some rows or columns or both of a matrix is called the submatrix of the given matrix. Suppose the matrix 3 by 3 matrix. Suppose the matrix 3 by 3. Order is 3. So rank is rank is 3 when it is a non-singular matrix. It is nothing but determined A not equal 0. Suppose this matrix rank A is 2. If it is A is a singular matrix and det A not equal 0, at least one of its submatrix is non-singular. Then rank is 2. Rank is 1 if every 2 by 2 submatrix is matrix of a matrix A is singular. If it is singular matrix, then rank is 1. We know that null matrix of rank is 0. Here it is useful to this tree diagram. So suppose Ax equal to B, where B not equal 0, B equal 0, B not equal 0, two cases. When B equal 0, in this one two cases, determinant A equal 0, determinant A not equal 0. Determinant A not equal 0, it is a trivial solution. Determinant A equal 0, infinite number of solutions. In this one case 2, B not equal 0, rank A equal to rank B, it is then system of equations is consistent. Rank A not equal to rank B, that is row A not equal to row B, system of equations is inconsistent. This is the introduction of the rank of a matrix and Gauss-Jordan method. Now we will discuss some problems. if the matrix A equal to 1 2 3 0 1 2 3 0, next 3 2 4 3 2, next 6 8 7 9, 6 8 7 alpha, 6 8 7 alpha is of rank 3, is of rank 3, then A equal to first option 5, then alpha equal to, then alpha equal to first option 5, second option 4, and third option 1, next fourth option -5. Here operating the rows here, here how many rows here? 1 2 1 2 3 0, 1 2 3 0, 2 4 3 2, 3 2 1, one more row in between, 3 2 1 3, next fourth row 6 8 7 alpha. Yeah, first you make it, this one is 0, so what we will do, R4 tends to R4 minus, here R1 plus R2 plus R2, because 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6, then it is 0. See here, so here 1 2 3, it will become how much here? 0. Next 4 plus 2 6 plus 2 8, then it is 0. 2 4 2, it is 0. Next is 3 plus 3 6 plus 1 7, it is 0. 3 3 1 0. Next 0 2 3, this is alpha plus 6. So what is given here? It rank is 3 given. So rank is 3 given. Then alpha plus 6 equal how much here? 0. Alpha plus, here 2 plus 3 5. Alpha plus 5 equal 0. Then alpha equal how much here? -5. So R4 minus R1 plus R2 plus R4 means here alpha minus, this is alpha minus, this is alpha minus 5 equal 0, alpha equal 5. So which option is correct here? First option. Next one, the rank of the following matrix is A is 1 minus 2 3 minus 4 and 2 9 4 5 4 5 10 minus 3 1 11 minus 1 9. Here first one is 4, second one is 3, third one is 2, fourth one is 1. Here rank A equal to number of non-zero rows here. Rank A equal to number of non-zero rows here. Here 1 minus 2 3 minus 4. So we have find out the rank here. So here So we are make it here. This one is 0. We are make it here. This one is 0. So this one is 1, 2, 4, 1, minus 2, 9, 5, 11, 3, 4, 10, minus 1, minus 4, 5, minus 3, 9. So here you make it, this one is 0. Both are 0 here. Then this one and R3 and R4. So this is R3 tends to R3 minus. You make it, this is 0. R2 minus 2R1. R2 minus 2R1. Next here, already minus is there, so this is plus. Next one, R4 tends to R4 minus R2 minus R1. Here, R4 tends to, you make it, this one is 0. R4 minus R2 minus R1 is how much here? 1. See here. So, first same write down, minus 2, 3, minus 4. 2, 9, 4, 5, whatever this is 0. R3 minus 4 minus R2 plus 2R1, it is 0. Next, this one 5 minus R2 is how much here? 9. 2R1 is, that is minus 4. So that is 5 minus 5, it is how much here? 0. Next, R3 minus 10 minus R2 4, 2R1 6. So it is how much? It is also 0. Next, R3 minus minus 3 minus, here R2 5 minus 8. So this is minus 3 plus 3, it is also 0. So next, fourth row, R4 minus R2 minus R1, it is 0. Next, R4 minus, that is 11 minus R2, 11 minus 9 plus 2 is how much? It is also 0. Next, R4 minus 1 minus 4 minus 3 is how much here? 1. So this is how much here? Minus 2. Next, here minus 9 minus 5 plus 4, 9, it is how much here? 0. So we know that rank A is equal to, suppose this is A, the rank A equal to number of non-zero rows. How many non-zero rows here? 1, 2, 3. So rank A, row A equal to how much here? It is 3. Option 2. Next one. Let A equal to, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6, and B equal to 1, minus 2, minus 1, 2, and C equal to 2, 0, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 2. If A comma, small a comma, B comma, C denotes the ranks. Denote the ranks. Ranks of capital A, B and C. Then the correct order of these. Then the correct order. Correct order of A comma B and C. A comma, correct order of these number is. Correct order of these number is. So first option, A less than B less than C. Second one, C less than B less than A. Third one, B less than A less than C. Fourth one, A less than C less than B. First determine find out. We know that rank A. Suppose 3 by 3 matrix rank A not equal 0, its order is 3. Rank is 3. If A equal, suppose this determinant is 0, find the submatrix. Submatrix not equal 0, then its rank is 2. So first A equal to determinant find out here. A equal to minus 1 into 24 minus 25 minus minus plus 2 into 18 minus 20 minus 3 into 15 minus 16. So that is minus minus plus here minus 2. Next that is 15 minus minus plus 3. 4 minus 2. It is how much here? 2. So determinant A not equal 0. So rank of A equal how much here? Rank of A equal to 3. Next get B find out here. 2 by 2 matrix. 2 minus minus 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 it is 0. Here 1 2 minus minus 2 minus 2. So what is the given B matrix here? B is 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 1 2. So determine B equals 0. So then its submatrix is 1. So its rank is how much here? Rank of B equal to 1. Next rank determine C find out here. So that is 2 into 4 minus 0, next all are 0. It is not equal to 0. It is not equal to 0. 2 into 4 minus 0, next all are zeros. So here rank is how much here? Its rank is C. Rank is 1. Once you check here. So first one is data equal to not equal to 0. Data once you check here 1. 24 minus 25 plus 2 18 minus 20 minus 3 into 15 minus 16. So it is 24 minus 25 it is 1. 18 minus 20 minus 20. So 15 minus, so it is minus 1 into. So what is the 1 or minus 1 this is? So minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 3 4 5 4 5 6. So it is second one is 1 minus 2 minus 1 2. Third one is 2 0 0 0 2 0 0 0, right? So here determinant A it is not equal 0, rank A is 3, and det B equal 0, its rank is 1, and det C not equal 0, its rank is 3. Rank of C equal to 3. Rank A minus 1 24 minus 25, right? So it is minus minus plus 18 minus 20, it is minus 2, 15 minus 16, so that is plus 3. But order is B less than A less than C given here. Some question is 1 minus 1 minus 2 3. Suppose it is 1. It is 1 minus 1 minus 2, so it is 0. So its submatrix not equal 0, rank of A equal to. Then inequality is now correct here. For next one, okay, it is 1. Therefore, what is the order here? Which is greater here? C. C greater. Next greater is what here? 2. Next greater, next below value is what here? 1. So what is the 1 here? Which one rank? Rank A. That is A. A less than. Next, what is this one here? Which one is B? This is B. B less than 2. It is A less than 3. C. B less than A less than C. Which option is correct here? Third option. First we wrote here minus 1. This plus 1. Next, A comma B comma C. Fourth one, A comma B comma C are non-zero real number and the equation A minus 1 into x equal to y plus z, b minus 1 into y equal to z plus x. Next, c minus 1 into z equal to x plus y, having a non-trivial solution. Non-trivial solution. Then AB plus BC plus CA is dash. So first option A plus B plus C. Here second option ABC, and third option 0. Fourth option A square B square C square. Here non-trivial solution, then determinant is what here? 0. First order write down here. First A minus 1 into x minus y minus z equal 0. Next x minus b minus 1 into y. Next plus z equal 0. Next x plus y minus c minus 1 into z equal to 0. So what is given here? It is A0 non-trivial solution. That implies determinant equal to 0. So its coefficient matrix A minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. 1 minus of minus b minus 1 means that is 1 minus b 1. 1 that is 1 minus c. Equal how much here? 0. So here now determinant find out here. A minus 1 into that is 1 minus b into 1 minus c minus 1. Minus here plus 1 into 1 minus c minus 1. Next minus 1 into 1 minus 1 plus b equal to 0. 1 cancel. So now A minus 1 into, now multiply here 1 minus c minus b plus bc minus 1. Here minus c, here minus b equal to 0. Now multiply with a, it is 1 cancel. Multiply with a minus ac minus ab plus abc. Next multiply with 1 plus c plus b minus bc. Minus c minus b equal to 0. bc cancel. So remaining what here? AB plus BC plus C equal how much here? ABC. So which option correct here? Second option. Next. Next, fifth one. The system of equations. The system of equations. X plus y plus z equal 5. Come on, x plus 2y plus 3z equal 9. And x plus 3y plus lambda z equal to mu. X plus 3y plus lambda z equal to mu has unique solution. Unique solution if options given here. First option lambda equal 5, comma mu equal to 10, and second one lambda equal to 5, mu not equal to 10. Third one mu belongs to us, lambda not equal to 5. Fourth one, and this is lambda belongs to us. Fourth one, mu lambda not equal to 5, mu belongs to R. So here, what is given here? Unique solution. Unique solution is det not equal to 0. Det A not equal to 0. First, here write down here. Coefficient matrix write down here. 1, 1, 1. First, unique solution. Unique solution. That implies det A not equal to 0. So, coefficient matrix 1, 1, 1. 1, 2, 3. 1, 3 lambda. E equal to unique not equal to 0. So determinant find out here. Plus minus plus here 1 into 2 lambda minus 9. X minus 1 into lambda minus 3 plus 1 into 3 minus 2 is not equal to 0. That is 2 lambda minus 9 minus lambda plus 3 plus 1 equal to 0. So it is 2 lambda minus lambda lambda. Here 4 minus 5, it is not equal to 0. So lambda not equal to 5 and mu is what here? It is a any value, real number. So which option correct here? Fourth option. Next one. If the system 2837 AB equal to K into AB as non-trivial solution, then the positive value of K, and a solution of the system, for the value of KR, first one K value 9 and A value 3, 8, B 8. Second K value 10, A minus 8, B 3. Third one 6 minus 1. Fourth one 10, 1. Right. What is here? What is given here? If there is a non-trivial solution, determinant equal to 0. The system has non-trivial solution, then the positive value of K is solution of the system for the value of K is K or dash. See here, given right on here 2837 AB equal to K into AB is KA, KB. Now matrix multiplication. This is 2 into A, 2A plus AB, 3A plus 7B. It is 2 by 2, it is 2 by 1. Then result is what here? 2 by 1 will get here, 2 by 1. So it equal to how much here? KA, KB. A common get this side, so that implies A common, then it is 2 minus K into A. Next 8B plus 8B Next, b get this side. 3a plus 7 minus k into b. It is how much here? 0, 0. So what is given here? Non-trivial. Non-trivial. That det a equal to 0. Det a, here a b coefficient, that is 2 minus k, 8, 3, 7 minus k. 7 minus k equal to 0. So that implies 2 minus k into 7 minus k minus 24 equal to 0. So that implies 2 7 is 14 minus 2k minus 7k plus k square. So that implies k square minus 9k minus 10 equal to factors k square 10 minus 10k plus k minus 10 equal to 0. So k into k minus 10, 1 into k minus 10. So here positive value of k is clear. Therefore k equal to 10 comma k. So positive value is how much here? 10. When k equal to 10, so a value, b value is how much here? 1. A equal to b equal to 1. So k 10, a1, b1. So fourth option. Next one, if x equal to a, y equal to b, z equal to c, is the solution of the system. Solution of the system. System of simultaneous linear equations. Simultaneous linear equations. X plus y plus z equal to 4. X minus y plus z equal to 2. X plus 2y plus 2z equal to 1. Then AB plus BC plus CA. AB plus BC plus CA is dash. First option 0. Second option minus 25. Third option 1. Fourth option minus 2. So we have to find out the x value, y value, z value. We have to find out here. So we can use it is Cramer's method is easier. First delta find out here. Delta is quotient matrix. That is 1 1 1 1 minus 1 1 1 2 2. So it is how much here? 1 into minus 2 minus 2 minus 1 into 2 minus 1 plus 1 into 2 plus 1. So it is how much here? Minus 4 2 minus 1. It is how much here? Minus 1 plus 3. So it is how much here? Not equal to 0. Next delta 1. So delta 1 here. Here remove the coefficient of x terms. In place of coefficient of x terms, constants write down here. That is d1, d2, d3. What is d1? 4, d2, 2, d3, 1. That is 4, 2, 1. Next same write down. 1 minus 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. So here delta 1 equal to 4 into minus 2 minus 2 minus 1 into 4 minus 1 plus 1 into 4 plus 1. That is minus 2. That is minus 16 minus 3 plus 5. So here minus 14. Is how much here? Minus 14. Delta 2. Here remove the y terms. In place of y terms, constants write down here. First one same write down. that is 4 2 1 1 1 2. 1 into 4 minus 1 minus 4 into 2 minus 1 plus 1 into 1 minus 2. That is 3 minus 4 minus 1. It is how much here? Minus 2. Next delta 3. Delta 3 is how much here? So here minus 4 minus 1, this value delta value is minus 2. Right. Delta 3. X coefficients, y coefficients same right down here. 1 1 1 1 minus 1 2. In place of z coefficient constants right down here. 4 2 1. 1 into minus 1 minus 4 minus 1 into 1 minus 2 plus 4 into 4 plus 1 2 plus 1. So that is minus 5 minus minus plus 1 2 plus it is how much here? 12 minus 5 13. So it is 7 8. This one is how much? 8. So we have to find out the x value. X is nothing but a equal to delta 1 by delta. What is delta 1? Minus 14 by minus 2. It is how much here? 7. Y equal to delta 2 by delta. It is nothing but b. Delta 2 is minus 2 by minus 2. It is 1. Z is c. It is nothing but c. Delta 3 by delta. What is delta 3? 8 by minus 2. Equal how much here? Minus 4. Therefore, AB plus BC plus CA. AB plus BC plus C. What is A? 7 into 1. 7. BC. 1 into 4 minus 4. And CA. CA. Minus 4 minus plus 7. Minus 28. So it is how much here? Minus 32. Minus 32. It is 7. So it is how much here? It is 3 minus 24. Minus 25. Minus 25. Which option correct here? Second.